Yeah, man. It's all about spraying the pepper, not true? Okay.
Those actually have pepper on them, you know.
Yes.
So really and truly, if you look good, you can see blossom pan these. All of these are blossom pan them.
Blossom.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, if you're new here, my name is Everton. And don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yeah, this time, it's all about spraying pepper. Yeah, we have to spray up the sweet pepper them, you know. Make sure nothing to bite them. So what I say? Alright, stick around, don't move a muscle. Yes! Sir, see the original spray, man. Yeah, man. It's all about spraying the pepper, not true? Yeah, man. Real, man. Yeah, get rid of the worms, them. Yeah. Real. Real, man. Yeah, my viewers. It's all about spraying, get rid of some worm, you know? Yeah. So we have to do it row by row. Yeah. Make sure you get them up and running before the worms start to bite. Them one here is very young. Alright. Yes, sir, Campbell. I mean, man, big up yourself, man.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
the spraying, what type of spraying that you're using?
All right. What we're basically doing, we're actually mixing like a cocktail. So we have insecticide, fungicide, and a little 20-20.
Okay.
And also a little bit of fertilizer to help straighten them, give them a little more, you know,
Roots.
proper rooting system and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what we do now, because these were the last one planted out. And as you can see, those actually grew a lot taller.
Okay.
Those actually have pepper on them, you know.
Yes.
So really and truly, by right, we're supposed to start giving them more nutrient now to help boost them, you know.
Okay.
So that's
okay.
exactly what I'm doing. If you look good, you can see blossom pan these. All of these are blossom pan them.
Yeah.
So by lower next week, if you look good, you see blossom full start up on them right now.
Alright.
By lower next week, they might blossom pan them. So we have to start push a little more nutrient pan them, you know.
Yeah.
Help strengthen them or something.
Okay. So how much time I spray them before?
Well, every week we normally spray them, you know.
Oh, every week?
Yeah, every week. Yeah, every week. We normally spray every Wednesday.
Okay,
So you choose your
understand.
day which day you want to spray, and we choose Wednesday we start spray because that's the time we start. So we do like every rotation.
Yeah, every Wednesday.
Yeah, every Wednesday.
Okay, so like when the pepper when it start to mature, where the pepper can pick, you still have to spray?
Yeah, man. You still have to spray right through the duration of the crop.
Okay.
Every
okay.
But what really happen now though, you change your formula.
Yeah, oh.
So them grow, you change your formula. As
Yeah.
them grow,
Yeah.
you change your formula.
Understand.
Because remember now, once the pepper start to come on the tree and it start get big, it starts up more nutrient.
Yes.
More water, more nutrient, more everything.
Right.
So you have to increase by your formula. You have to do all of that stuff. So you have to know which one work better for you and all of that stuff. So that's exactly, you know, my last year was just a trial and error. This year now we're trying to make sure that we have less problems or any mistake or anything like that going forward, you know?
Yeah, me understand.
Yeah, man. So this is what we're doing right now.
Okay. Right, so Campbell.
And we're actually trellising right now up top.
Yeah.
Those are the bigger ones, so we're trellising. We're start trellis from up there.
Yeah.
Come back down this side. So by the
okay.
time we reach down here, just in time for trellis. Probably a week, 2 week off, but you know, once we reach here, I think we're gonna be good enough.
Good,
time
yeah.
for, you know, because these start at the V already. So once we start at the V, you know, it's time to start trellis, you know.
Okay. Understand. So all of the stuff mix up here.
Yeah, man. It's a
Mix in
cocktail.
one container and then throw into the spray pan.
That's it. One cocktail.
Okay.
And everything
okay.
do them own separate function.
Yes, everything do them own work.
Yes.
Yeah, understand.
Yeah, man.
Alright, Sir Campbell.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Alright, my viewers and subscribers are here. What Mr. Campbell said, alright, all those information. Yeah. Mr. Soros is on the spraying. Yeah, get all these peppers up and running.
Okay, if you notice now, the leaf them have a little bit of yellow in them. That means them need more nutrient. Them need nutrient. They need to start get green and pretty like these.
Yeah.
So once they start get green and the leaves they start get broad, you know, so these are get good sufficient amount of water and sufficient amount of nutrient.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Understand.
that's what but these are small, so we still not pressure them still.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, so that's good.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, man.
Yes, my viewers. It's all about inside the greenhouse. It's all about spraying, getting the peppers up and running, you know. All right, my viewers, stick around. There's a lot more to come. All right, my viewers, it's all about mixing the spray. Yes, Mr. Camel, Sir Camel.
Yeah, man.
Tell them what's going on. What are you mixing now?
All right, so you want me now. So this is a breakthrough, right?
Okay.
This is breakthrough. Sorry, 1 minute. Let me pass.
Okay, Sir Sorosy. Go through with the spraying.
Right, so we mix all of them together.
Yeah.
Right, so now this is the breakthrough. So after I put this inside of the mixture,
Yeah.
what it does, because you can see beneath the leaf,
Oh.
right? So what it does now is this helps the mixture to soak through. That's what I call breakthrough.
Oh, okay.
So it soak through the leaf.
Oh.
So the insect always hide behind the leaf.
Underneath the leaf.
So that means to say, you know, once you have this, you have different ones as well, but this is pretty good.
Yeah.
So once you know, and we have the fungicide, we have NGO, and we have carbendazim.
Okay.
Carbendazim.
Yeah.
We have 2020. We have this is a new product I'm trying right now. It's called multi-feed.
Yeah.
So it's for solanaceous plants like tomatoes, peppers, and stuff like that. However, this is a new product I'm trying, but it's a farmer fertilizer. I'm try to give them for, you know, enhancing growth as well and strengthening.
Yeah.
Right. So it's this one is what 18-18-23.
Okay.
So you're gonna see more likely we see some improvement.
Changes, yeah.
Yeah. This is a liquid feed now.
Okay.
So this is calcium boron. So it help with the production as well.
Yeah.
Right. So with all of those, you know, it should be able to have a very good good yield after we start reap. You know what I mean?
Yes, yes.
So you give them that feed and stuff. We're gonna watch all of this and see how them operate with versus the previous one that I use.
Understand.
So yeah, man. So that's what we're doing right now.
Okay. All right, Mr. Campbell. Go on, mix up. Stir up the drinks, yeah? The formula for the sweet pepper. All right, my viewers. That's it, my viewers. So, my viewers, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. All right? Yeah, man, I engineer. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's all right. It's all about technology here. Yeah. And that's the thing I go. Yeah, man. If I did the manual one, you'd have to have you on the press now.
And a pump.
And I pump you up, alright.
I first start off with enough.
Yeah. You see your technology sweet? You had that Babylon of hold me right now. Yeah? Stand there. Stand there.
You know, talk out of your mouth and it turn that way there.
Yeah, man. Oh, this is the coffee and the milk. Mixture. So, my name is Everton and I'm gonna be out for now. So stay tuned for the next video. If you want to watch the next video, you can watch a video here, or you can watch this one over here. Alright? Catch you guys in the next video. Alright?